PointsMatter. I just installed iOS 7 on my iPad, and here's what it looks like. But there's a cool feature I want to show you. I don't think anybody else has shown it yet, but Apple mentioned it today, and they have new ringtones, and they're pretty cool, and alert tones as well. So we'll just go through the list. So here's the first one. And that's it. And they also have a classic, so all your classic old, you know, old iPhone stuff. So that's one of the features that I think a lot of people have passed with these new tones. So that's pretty cool. So thanks for watching.